Good morning, students. Today we have to study about mass and weight. That is about mass and weight. Understand? So now here see I have written already. Now I have to just explain you. So listen it very carefully. Understand? What is mass? Mass is the amount of matter contained in a body. Mass is the amount of matter contained in a body. Understand? And what is weight? Weight is actually a kind of force that you have studied in class 6 also. Weight is actually a kind of force. Understand? So it is a force by which earth pulls body towards its center. It is a force. Weight is a force by which earth pulls a body towards its center. Understand? So how does a weight pulls a body towards its center? Why? Because of the gravitational force. Understand? Because of the gravitational force. Understand? Acting on the object. Consider a heavy stone you have hold it on your hand. Consider a heavy stone you are hold it on your hand like this. What happens? You will have to apply a equal force. Understand? From your muscular force. That is a muscular force that you have studied in class 6. Understand? The muscular force will be applied to hold the stone as in this condition. Understand? Why? Because the stone is heavier and because of its weight. Understand? And its weight is creating a force by which what happens? It tends to fall downward. It tends to fall downward. Understand? So weight is actually a force. Understand? Which is equals to m into g. W is equals to m into g. Understand? So this is the formula for weight. W equals to m into g. Understand? M is mass when multiply with the gravity. Mass when multiply with the gravity, we will have force. That is weight. Understand? So weight is actually a force. Understand? It is a kind of force. It is a force by which earth pulls a body towards its center. I have given one best example that a person is holding a stone on its hand. What happens? As soon as he will release, what happens? The stone will fall downward. Why? Because of the force of weight. So weight is actually a force. Understand? So now here see, mass is the amount of matter contained in a body. Second is, it is a constant quantity. Yes, mass is a constant quantity. Its value do not change by the change of time, place or location. Understand? It will remain constant. Understand? Its value never change. Mass is a constant quantity, whereas weight is a not constant quantity. It is not a constant quantity. It is not a constant quantity. Why? Because we know that acceleration due to gravity, that is gravity is not same on earth at all place. Understand? Why? Because gravity on earth is not same at all place. What happens? Gravity is changing with the change of location. Understand? So what happens? Then when the value of g will differ, then what happens? The weight will also differ. Why? Because W equals to m into g. W will be equals to m into g. Understand? W will be equals to m into g. M into g. This is the formula to find weight. Understand? When g will differ from location to location, what will happen? Weight will also differ because we are multiplying. Understand? So what happens? It is not a constant quantity. Its value change. Why? Because the change of gravitational force. Understand? Because of the change of gravity on every position on the earth. There is not same. Gravity is not same on every location. It is changing. Understand? At every point. So because of that, weight is not a constant quantity, but mass is always a constant quantity. Its value will not change with the change of locations. Understand? Third, it is measured by physical balance or beam balance. So mass is always measured by physical balance or beam balance. Understand? You have know what is physical balance or beam balance. If you don't know, open page number 38 on your book. You will see what is physical balance or beam balance. Understand that you are already studied in classes. You all know all these things. So, understand? So it is measured by physical balance or beam balance. What? Mass. Understand? And weight is always measured by spring balance. weight is always, it is measured by spring balance. Understand? Weight is always measured by spring balance. Understand? So now what? SI unit of mass is kilogram. SI unit of mass is kilogram. Understand? And SI unit of weight is Newton. SI unit of weight is Newton. Understand? Weight of SI unit of weight is considered as Newton. Very important point. And SI unit of mass is kilogram. Understand? So now we say here some points is written here. 100 kg will be equals to 1 quintal. 100 kg will be equals to 1 quintal, and 1000 kg will be equals to 10 quintal. Understand? That is 1 ton. Understand? That is 1 ton. Understand? Here we know that some other units are used to find weight, and that units are known as kgf. That unit are known as kgf and gf. Understand? kgf means kilogram force. kgf means kilogram force, and gf means gram force. These are the CGS unit of weight. To find weight, we will take sometimes kgf and gf also. These are the CGS units. Understand? So what is kgf? kgf is the amount, that is the total force applied by the earth to pull 1 kilogram weight. That means 1 kilogram weighted object towards its center. Understand? The total amount of force applied by the earth to pull 1 kilogram weighted object towards its center. And same in the GF, the total amount of the force by the earth to keep 1 gram weighted object towards the center of the earth. Understand? These are the CGS units. SI unit of weight is Newton. It is measured by the spring balance. It is not a constant quantity. Why? Because acceleration due to gravity is keep on changing at every location on the earth. That is why. Understand? And we know that the formula of weight is m into g, where m is mass and g is gravity. Because of the change of gravity at every location, weight will also change. Understand? Now, definition: it is a force by which earth pulls body towards its center, and it is a kind of force. I have explained. So it is a variable. Weight is a variable quantity. It keeps on changing. It is a kind of force. Understand? W equals to m into g. Because of the change of gravity, it keeps on changing. Its SI unit is Newton. It is measured by spring balance. Now in mass, what we will say? 100 kg equals to 1 quintal. 1000 kg equals to 10 quintal. That is 1 ton. Its SI unit is kg. Understand? Some multiple unit also we all know that, gram and all. Understand? But SI unit is kg. It is measured by physical balance or beam balance. Understand? It is a constant quantity. Why? Because its value do not change with the change of location or places. Understand? And mass is the amount of matter contained in a body. Mass is the amount of matter contained in a body. Understand? I have given the example of weight. How does I have proved you all that weight is a force. How? By considering a stone holding by our hand. Understand? We will feel weight, because of which what happens? We will have to apply equal force from our hand to hold the stone. Understand? A heavy stone, we will have to apply equal force. Why? Because the stone has weight, and weight is a kind of force by which earth it is attracting by the earth, that is earth is trying to pull it downward. Understand? What happens? As soon as you release, it will get down. So you will feel a weight. You will feel a force from the stone. So what is that? What that is a weight, and weight is actually a force. Understand? So this unit is now completed. Tomorrow I will give that exercise work, and after that question answer. Then we will move to the next unit. Understand? So all of you are requested to watch every videos of mine. Understand? And try to subscribe it also. Understand? So you will get the notification as soon as I will upload. Understand? And watch all the videos and try to read it from book also. Understand? Thank you.